Hi students, welcome to plus one computer class. So we just began the chapter Boolean algebra. In Boolean algebra, in the last video we already discussed the introduction to Boolean algebra, and also I mentioned the basic operators of Boolean algebra: OR operator, AND operator, and NOT operator. So that we already see. So in this video we are going to discuss an operator, basic logic gate or gate. Okay, for what we are using OR operation and the circuit diagram of OR operation, and also logic gates and truth table for OR operation. Okay, clear? So these three things we are going to discuss in this video. It's very important topic, OR gate. Basic gates. This is one of the first basic gates in Boolean algebra. So what is our topic? OR gate. Okay, OR gate is used for performing OR operation and it is belonging to Boolean algebra category. Then OR gate is used for performing OR operation. In the previous video I already mentioned logic gates. In computer we are using different types of logic gates. For the creation of logic gates we are using diodes. Okay, we are using diodes. Clear? Then OR gate means it is belonging to logic statement category and it also uses Boolean algebra values, true or false value. So with the help of a real life example, I will explain the working of OR gate. Okay, with the working of OR gate. Then next. Okay, in your textbook there is one real life example present. Real life example is, when do you use umbrella? Okay, suppose we are going anywhere, when we will use umbrella. Then there are two possibilities. If it is sunny and also rainy. If it is sunshine is there, then we want to take umbrella. Then okay, so this is a real life situation. When do you want to take umbrella? If it is rainy season, then definitely you want to take umbrella. Then if it is sunshine, sunny season, then also you want to take umbrella. So we will discuss according to the logic values. If there is no sun, that means there is no sunshine is there and also there is no rain, then should we want to take umbrella? No. Okay. That means if these two conditions are not, then you don't want to take the umbrella. Then next case, sunny is there and what about the rainy? There is no yes or no. That means sunny is there, then there is no rain. Then should we want to take umbrella? Yes. Then no sunny and no rain is there. Then rain is there, then definitely you want to take umbrella. Then last case, both these conditions are true. Both the conditions are true. Rain is there and sunshine also is there. Then should you want to take umbrella? Yes, definitely you want to take umbrella. Okay, so that means actually this is a real life example. This you can identify if both the conditions are no. That means if both the conditions are false, then the condition false. Okay, if both the conditions are false, then the condition false, and in any of the condition is true, then output also true. So OR gate means this is a logical gate and it is used for performing logical addition. Okay, OR gate is used for performing logical addition, and the symbol that we are using for representing logical OR operation is plus operator. Logical addition, but it is not relating to normal addition. It is Boolean algebra addition and it also uses binary values. So definitely outputs will be different. Okay, outputs will be different. So this is a real life example. Should we take umbrella? There are two conditions, sunny and also rainy. If any of the condition is true, output also true. If both the condition are false, then only the output is false. Okay, then this logical addition operation is based on some kinds of rules. Okay, we can't easily perform logical addition. Then we already studied binary arithmetic, binary addition. For performing binary addition, there are some set of rules are available. Okay, set of rules are available. That rules is very, very important. That rules, according to the rules, binary arithmetic is executing. Same as for performing OR operation or for performing OR gate, you want to follow some kinds of rules. Okay, so that rules I am going to represent it with the help of truth table. What is that? Truth table. For representing rules of OR gate, I am using truth table. Okay, this is a 2-input truth table. 2-input truth table. First input is A and second input is B, and this is for the final result A or B plus. Instead of plus, what you want to say? A or B. Then first value, if A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. 0 plus 0, 0 itself. Next, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Then, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. 0 plus 1, 1. One more case is there. A equal to 1, B equal to 1. 1 plus 1. In binary arithmetic, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. Okay, but in truth table, A or B, 1 plus 1, if both the inputs are true, output also true. Okay, so this is the truth table for OR gate. Then for what we are drawing truth table? To get the possible values, input and output for a OR operation, we are drawing truth table. Then logic gates. In the previous video I already mentioned logic gates. These are the physical devices. Physical devices used for performing logical operations. So our first operation was logical OR operation. So we require a logical gate or logical circuit. So next I am going to draw logical circuit for OR gate. Logical circuit for OR gate. So in this example, I am using 2-input method. Okay, 2-input method. So 2-input means here I am drawing 2 input lines. Listen, please listen, because it's very, very important. You want to draw the circuit diagram and also the truth table and also operation. Very, very important question. So listen how we are drawing logical circuit diagram for OR gate. First you want to draw 2 lines and after that you want to draw like this. Okay, then okay, like this. This is the logic circuit for OR gate. So here I am passing 2 input A and B. After the logical operation we will get A plus B. Okay, so this is the truth table for OR operation and this is a logical circuit for OR operation. Very, very important question. At the end of this video, I am giving one question. In that question, you want to define the circuit diagram, truth table, logical circuit for OR gate. So you want to draw this truth table and also this diagram. And before that, you want to write what is meant by OR operation, how we are representing OR operation, OR gate. For implementing OR operation, we are using OR gate. This is also known as logical addition. The symbol that we are using is plus symbol. Okay, and this is a truth table for 2 input logical OR gate. Okay, how many inputs we are using here? 2 input A and B. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 1 itself. And this is the logical circuit diagram for OR gate. Logical circuit diagram for OR gate. Clear? I think the concept is clear. A, B, A plus B. Clear? Then, logical circuit for OR gate. This is for to input. Next I am going to draw, okay, in your notebook you want to write 2 input logical OR gate. 3 input is not required because it is an extra activity, but 2 input OR gate. This truth table and this diagram you want to copy in your notebook. Okay, then next I am going to draw truth table and also logical circuit of 3 input. Okay, truth table and logical circuit of 3 input OR gate. A, B, C, A plus B plus C. Okay, 3 input I am using. I am going to draw the truth table. A, B, C, A plus B plus C. Okay, first case. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. If all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. Then A equal to 1, B and C all are zeros. Then if any of the input is 1, output also 1. Then 0, 1, 0. Again output 1. 0, 0, 1. Output also 1. Then next A, B, 1, 1, 0. A and B, then 1. 0, 1, 1. Again 1. 1, 0, 1. 1. And the last case 1, 1, 1, 1. Output also 1. If all the inputs are 1, output also 1. If all the inputs are 1, output also 1. So this is a truth table for OR gate with 3 bits. Okay. Then next I am going to draw the logic circuit for 3 input OR gate. 3 input logic circuit. Logic circuit for 3 input OR gate. So 3 lines. 3 lines. 1 A, second one B and third one is C. Then draw the logical circuit diagram. Then as a result, what will be the result? A plus B plus C. Actually it is A plus B plus C, but it is not correct. A or B or C. Okay, instead of plus what do you want to read? A or B or C. Okay, so the point that you want to remember is in truth table, in OR gate truth table, if any of the input is true, if any of the input is true, output always true. If any of the input is true, output always true. Then if all the inputs are 0, then only we will get 0 as output. Okay, clear? Then next one, how we are applying this in a real life situation. In your textbook, one real life example is that. That means a OR gate, logical OR gate. The working of gates will be how we are executing the working of logical OR gate. For example, this is a circuit diagram. Okay, here is one battery is available. Then it is connected to a bulb. Okay, it is connected to bulb, battery and connected to a bulb. And this is connected with 2 switches. 2 switches are present. Then both these switches are connected parallelly. Both these switches are connected parallelly. Okay, 2 switches are present, but both these switches are connected parallelly. Then both these switches are connected to one bulb. Then if the switch. Now the switch, all these switches are in off stage. Okay, this is switch A and this is switch B. Both the switches are in off stage. Then what will be the output of bulb? Bulb also off. Then if any of the switch is on, then what about the resultant value of bulb? Bulb will on. Okay, if both the switches are on, then also the bulb will on. So this is a real life example for the working of OR gate. If a bulb is connected to two switches, that two switches are connected parallelly. Okay, only in one condition the bulb will be in off stage, that is if both the switches are in off condition, then bulb also off. Then if any of the switches on, bulb will on. If both the switches are on, then also the bulb will in on stage. Okay, clear? So we will revise. So the topics that we studied, what is that? OR gate. OR gate is used for performing OR operation. OR operation means logical addition operation. Then in logical addition operation, if any of the input is true, output also true. And also we seen the logical circuit diagram for OR operation and truth table for OR operation. Okay, clear? It's very important question. And also the truth table, two input diagram and truth table that you want to write in your notebook. And you want to write one question in your notebook, that is you want to draw the truth table circuit diagram of OR gate. Okay, not 3 input, 2 input truth table, 2 input circuit diagram. Before that you want to explain for what purpose we are using OR gate or what is the speciality of OR gate. Okay, then the remaining basic gates we will discuss in the next video. Okay, then thank you.